A black hole is a really strong force in space that sucks everything in, even light. It's made when a really big star collapses in on itself. This creates a tiny space with very strong gravity that bends everything around it. The event horizon is the point of no return around a black hole. Once something crosses it, it can never come back. The size of the event horizon depends on how big the black hole is. There are three types of black holes: small, medium, and superhuge. Small black holes come from the collapse of big stars, and superhuge black holes live at the center of most galaxies, like our Milky Way. Black holes do weird things, like making time go slower near them and stretching things into long shapes. They also give off a tiny bit of light called Hawking radiation. Even though we can't see black holes, we can tell they're there by looking at the stuff around them. People are still learning about black holes, and they've helped us learn a lot about space. A black hole is an object in space with an extremely strong gravitational pull, so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape it. They can form when a massive star dies and its core collapses inward upon itself, creating a singularity of infinite density and zero volume. Because they emit no light and are very small, black holes cannot be observed directly, but their effects on nearby matter can be seen. For example, if a black hole is part of a binary star system, the matter flowing into it from its companion becomes intensely heated and then radiates X-rays before disappearing into the black hole's event horizon. The structure of a black hole is calculated using Albert Einstein's general theory of relativity. The singularity is at the center of the black hole and is hidden by the event horizon, which is the point of no return where the escape velocity exceeds the speed of light. The radius of the event horizon is called the Schwarzschild radius and is proportional to the black hole's mass. Some black holes have non-stellar origins, such as supermassive black holes that may form when large volumes of interstellar gas collapse into them. These black holes can account for the enormous energy output of quasars and certain galactic systems.